Today we're going to talk about if you have cutoff on your images once you install a new collimator and how to fix those issues. So if you have some cutoff on your image, on your x-ray system, sometimes the near focus blade may be bent just a little bit. Those are adjustable by hand. You just need to be somewhat careful with when bending and adjusting. So you take this gauge tool here. This is the proper distance for near focus blade to be set so you don't have any cutoff. This could be, it might get bent a little when you're installing it into the tube flange. So those are things that if you're seeing cutoff after replacement of a collimator or you get a service call saying there's some cutoff, you want to check your near focus blades to make sure they're not bent into the field. For more tips like this, please visit our resources page and view our tech tips.